Welcome to the Proton Ideas channel. Let's begin. Human beings have a well-documented obsession with the edge. We seek extreme altitudes to build structures that cantilever over sheer drops, chasing unobstructed views. The resulting architecture often looks like a rendering of science fiction, massive assemblages of glass and steel, bolted directly into jagged rock, hovering hundreds of feet in the air. But a cliff face is an active geological environment. Over time, erosion shears away layers of stone, forcing loose rock to detach and plummet into the canyons below. Placing an artificial structure here forces engineers to solve a severe physical conflict. They have to anchor hundreds of thousands of pounds of static mass onto a surface that is actively trying to slide downward. You are listening to us from Proton Ideas. Securing a home in this environment means fighting gravity permanently. The standard rules of residential construction simply do not apply. In traditional building, you pour a flat concrete slab and let the earth support the weight. On a 45-degree incline, doing that is mathematically certain to fail. Looking at this cross-section, a standard slab on loose topsoil quickly slides off. To solve this, engineers drill long steel micropiles through the dirt into a movable bedrock. They are then tensioned, locking the foundation tightly against the mountain. The foundation never actually sits on the surface. It acts as a series of surgical steel pins, stitching the heavy frame of the house deep into the skeleton of the mountain itself. Once the anchoring is mapped out, the physical labor begins. But you cannot park a cement truck or a delivery flatbed on a vertical precipice. Builders have to maneuver tons of structural steel beams and reinforced glass panes into position, entirely without a flat staging ground to organize their supplies. Moving a load requires crane operators carefully lowering massive steel elements over the sheer drop, guided by crews balancing on temporary scaffolding. The logistics of a cliffside build require overcoming gravity and vertical space just to transport raw materials to the starting line. You are listening to us from Proton_Ideas. Beyond gravity, the structure faces invisible lateral threats. Deep valleys and cliff walls act as funnels, accelerating wind and forcing it violently upward against the exposed underside of the floors. This schematic demonstrates how high-speed wind crashes into the rock, creating massive upward aerodynamic pressure. The home's steel framing is heavily reinforced to withstand these continuous multi-directional impacts. Even more destructive is water. Heavy rain can liquefy topsoil, threatening a total collapse. To prevent this, an intricate network of subsurface pipes captures incoming rainwater, safely routing it away from bedrock anchors and shedding it off the cliff. The completed house must operate as an aerodynamic shield against updrafts, while simultaneously managing hundreds of gallons of water diversion to maintain its grip. The final architectural product is stunning, obscuring the agonizing, highly technical, and months-long struggle required to construct it. You are listening to us from Proton Ideas. We often consume these massive logistical puzzles through short time-lapse videos, watching heavy machinery and complex steel framing snap together in a few smooth minutes of playback. That rapid speed hides the daily reality of the build. Thousands of hours of manual labor on narrow ledges, strict structural planning, and the constant physical risk required to bolt a living space to a sheer wall. A modern cliffside home operates entirely outside the conventions of standard building. It is a permanent, habitable bridge engineered to hold human life securely against untamed geology. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe and set the bell icon to the all option so that if we upload a new video, a notification will come to you and you will be informed. Please don't forget to like and give us energy with your beautiful comments. And send this video to your loved ones so we can be seen more.